Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe and also hit the notification bell button. Today we're going to use some Charlotte Tilbury. This is my first time ever buying or using any Charlotte Tilbury. I got these two items. The package is Exagger Eyes. And then I've got some setting and primer spray. Now, the eyeshadow was made in Italy, and the package said that this was made in Germany. And this, when I read the instructions, it said you're supposed to put it on first and after. So it's priming and setting. So I've already primed my face, and I put a little bit of tinted moisturizer on, but I may do more also. So let's swatch these real quick. I actually started this video once, but I wasn't liking the direction of it because I should have swatched them first and I didn't. But I will show you. This is the palette. I paid $55 for this and at Ulta because I had some gift cards. And I paid $38 from this, and all together it was $101 and some change. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these off so we'll see the colors. I should have done that in the beginning so I know what. And they are all pretty light. You know, if I'm used to like dark colors, you know, it's going to be different from me. But we're going to give it a try. I don't know that I will keep buying Charlotte. We'll see. I did go on the website, and she does have more colors and stuff that, you know, you can buy. But like at my Ulta, all I saw was neutrals for pretty much any brand except drugstore. Let's start off with this darker shade. We're going to put it in the outer corner. So this appears to be a matte. Yeah. So, yeah, it's going on better now. At first, I'd put one of the lighter colors on the lids, and that just wasn't working. Nothing showed up past that. So, we can do this light color on the lid, or we can do this one, or let's try both. I'm going to start at the outer corner, this little darker shade. I can really only think of like two looks to do with this little palette. You know, kind of a cat eye like I like to do, or a halo. So, okay, so that's doesn't look much different as far as I'm concerned. It might have a little bit of shimmer on it, and I did use this as primer like it said. And so for our rest of our lid and the inner corner, let's take this lighter shimmer here, this tan color. And there was two versions of this. There was one looked a little darker than the other, and I think I picked up the darker of the two. At least that's what I think. I don't know. Because I don't know if they had, anyway, I picked up one of them. So, anyway. So, I hope you guys like this. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I would like a little bit more contrast. I'm going to go ahead and add this other shimmer too at the outer corner. And I'm just not seeing a whole lot of difference in the shade. Okay, let's see if we can do something else with this. This light one, we can use that on the brow, but we'll do that in a minute. Let's see if we can get some liner or something. I think I'm going to use a little bit of black liner. Just a little bit. They had a little kit that had the little teeny tiny mascara and a black pencil called Exagger Eyes on an ink cap. And so I'm trying to keep this light. Now yesterday I did wear lashes. I'm not sure if I'm wearing lashes today or not though. Might give my eyes a rest, but maybe not. I might need some lashes to balance out this. Let's try some black liner too. Shake it up. I bought me some more liner. Now I can't find it because I thought this one did good. Okay. Have to shake it up. So I don't know that I like the shade of that black. That might go in the trash. I picked this up the other day. Revlon. I think I bought it on my Walmart order, which I didn't go shopping this week. I just went and picked my order up because I didn't feel good getting done. So we'll try this one. See how we like that. Yeah, this is better. And I think I'm just going to wear mascara today. I'm going to go ahead and put some under the eye too. I used to wear liquid liner all the time. Then I sort of got in the habit of using eyeshadow down there. Okay. That looks better. But I'm going to try to darken up these corners a little bit more with this darkest shade here. I tell you what, I wish we had a little bit more contrast here. Now let's go ahead and above our brow, let's use this lightest shade. Yeah, I'm not really excited about this. I suppose it's appropriate for work, more appropriate than a lot of stuff I wear. But not really my colors. This is just CoverGirl Black. Okay, I'm back, and this is the final look. I did do some more touching up. I was able to try to build up the outer corners a little bit more with this darkest shade, which is not very dark. And for sunscreen, I use this tinted elastin sunscreen today. And I didn't use any highlighter. I didn't think I needed any. I used this Pat McGrath Labs bronzer color. I didn't use the blush. I just used the brownish. And I didn't bother using a highlighter because I used this Girl Actic. It says Luminous Face Powder. And it was pretty shiny, I think. So I did take some plain setting powder and calm it down a little bit. For lips, I just used this kind of a tan ColourPop lip pencil with a nude L'Oreal lip balm, and I did colored in my eyebrows. I went ahead and added some green mascara on top of the black that I had used, but you can't see. So how do I like it? I don't know. I mean, as far as the makeup, It's good. I just don't like the colors. But anyway, that's what I bought. My Ulta store on the luxury side, I don't say hardly any colors. There's all kind of neutral. And I did see on the Charlotte Tilbury side that she does have some things with colors, you know. Perhaps I might buy some more later, but I don't know. I've got a lot of makeup right now that's not used that I need to use that I can show you guys. And so anyway, so this is our finished look. And I do appreciate everyone watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.